How many of you watching believe in ghosts? If you said yes, have you had any experiences with one? Sometimes I get that eerie feeling I'm being watched. And no, I don't mean people watching my videos. I mean when I feel like I'm not alone. Probably just my imagination, so let's get on with today's lesson. Let's draw Ghosty from Roblox Piggy. Now this character wears a hat that's tilted over on the left side of the head. So let's start with the bottom edge first. Starting on the left side of our page, we're going to draw a straight angled line. Going up, and then in towards the center of our page. And then from the ends, we'll angle this up and in. So let's start on the left. Just pulling that up and in. And do the same thing on the right. And then the hat goes up in towards the center curve. So let's start back on the left. Come in, just pull that up. Go to the right side and do the same thing. And then we'll connect the tops with a curve. Let's go up in the middle, round this out. And just pull this out and then down on the right side. And then from the top of the hat, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the left. Let's flatten off the top. And then we'll just pull that back down on top of the hat. Now we draw a large circle for the head tucked in underneath the hat. So we start on the left side, we're going to step up. I'm just going to come down towards the bottom of the head and over towards the right. Round this out, going up on the right side, and then in on the top. Let's draw a small circle on the bottom of the head for the muzzle. So we'll start in the center of the head, draw that circle, going all the way around. I'm just not going to go all the way down towards the bottom. We'll leave a little gap, going out, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small circle on the top for the nose. We're going to step down, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's fill the nose in black. Let's move over towards the left side and draw on the eye. We're going to start on the edge of the hat and draw in a circle, coming around and in, and back out towards the outside. We'll fill the eye in black. Let's draw a square eye patch on the right side. So start by lining up the top of the eye. We're going to angle this down and in towards the muzzle. We're going to leave a little gap on the inside. Angle this down and out. Go to the top of the eye patch, follow that same angled line, and then we'll close off the outside. Let's fill the eye patch in black. Let's add in the strap. We're going to start above the left eye, just going to curve across the head, and then down towards the side of the eye patch. We'll continue on the outside towards the side of the head. Let's thicken that up. Stepping down, just going to follow that same curve, coming in, and then along the outside, and then we'll fill that strap in black. Let's add an ear on the top right side of the head. So we're going to start at the top. Just going to draw a circle going all the way around, down, and then back in. Let's go back down and draw on the sides of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head. Draw the body going out, and then down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side and go in the opposite direction. We're going to bring this down towards the same height. And then from the bottom, we're going to angle up and in. And we'll pull this down and in towards the center point. Start with the left. Going down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's draw on the right arm. We're going to start on the side of the body. Start by curving out and then down. I'm going to add a zigzag along the base of the arm. Go straight up. And go down and out. Go up again. and then out towards the side of the arm. And we'll go back up to the top of the body. We'll curve the arm going out and then down towards the outside. Now we're going to be drawing the left arm holding the sword. So let's start at the top of the body. We'll curve the arm coming down and then out. And then we'll add that same zigzag pattern. Coming down and in, and down and out. Let's add one more point. In, and out. And we'll curve the bottom of the arm coming in and up in behind the body. Now we want to draw the hand separated from the arm. So let's start with the thumb. Starting at the top, so curve around and then down. We'll round out the tip of the thumb and then go back up. Let's add in the palm. Curving down and then in. And we'll stack 3 fingers along the outside. Let's start on the side of the thumb and draw an oval. Going out and then in. Now we're going to step down and draw that again. Going around. And we'll tuck this up underneath the thumb. Let's do that one more time. Let's draw the hilt of the sword. Starting from the top of the finger, go straight out towards the side. And then from here it's going to curve up and then down on top of the thumb. And then we'll draw on the blade. Starting from the top of the hilt, draw a straight angled line going up and then out. And then from the tip, we're just going to curve out towards the left and then bring that all the way down towards the hilt. Let's add the bottom of the handle underneath this finger. Draw a half oval, coming down and then up. And then to finish off the hand, we're going to go back up to the top of the thumb, curve in, round up the hand, and then tuck this in behind the handle. And that's pretty much it. There's Ghosty from Roblox. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.